Hey everyone, welcome to another video. So, if you don't know, we're going on a European road trip in a couple of weeks and we're going for 2 months. Now, that means while we're over there, we're going to be doing a lot of cooking because we're not going to be like eating out all the time. It means that we're going to be doing a lot of cooking. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to show you our 5 best recipes that we can easily cook and quickly cook while we travel. What we're going to do, we're going to cook 5 different meals. It's going to range from sort of like a starter type of thing to like a sandwich to a snack and then to a dessert. Now what we're doing is we're filming this in our kitchen, but we're only using what we've got in the camper van. So we're only going to be using our Ridgemonkey. We've got all the different sort of like accessories, if you like, that we're going to take with us when we travel.
Hi! So the first thing we're going to cook is a breakfast wrap, which is going to have bacon, mushrooms, egg, cheese and a little bit of sauce in it.
Not even 5 minutes to make that. So let's give it a try. Tasty. Do you know, I have to honestly say, that tastes better than I thought it was going to.
For the second easy meal, we're going to make a tuna panini.
Yes, now for this one, we're just going to use one of these. We're going to use one of these, tin of tuna, some mayo, some cheese. Now I'm toying with the idea of putting some tortilla chips in it as well, but I'm trying to convince Brooke, but she's not convinced, so...
Well, seeing as normally we would use a lot more tuna than that because we'd be having one each, but...
Everything that we're making.
Today we're going to be eating. We're just having one and having half each, so yeah. Tom can do half tortilla chips and half not.
Yeah, we'll try it. some pictures of it, you know, to put on our Instagram page. So give us a follow on our Instagram page, I'll put the details here. You know what? Let's just do this. Let's just do this. That looks good, that. I'll tell you what, that's really good. Them tortilla chips just give it like an extra. Hit that like button, guys. You know that you're enjoying this food, and I know some of you are hungry right now. So, right, the next thing that we're going to cook now is a chicken fajita stir fry. Now, what we've done is we've bought it sort of like already done like this, because do you know what? Sometimes it's actually cheaper buying it where the chicken, everything's already done, and sort of like all your peppers and onions and things. Guys, you've probably noticed that everything that we're cooking has been in the same pan. These Ridgemonkey pans are fantastic. The other thing is as well, we've got the chopping board. Now, what this is a heat-proof mat, so that when we're cooking in the camper van, if we need to sort of like take something like off when we're cooking, we can put it on here, and obviously because it's a heat-proof mat, it protects everything. So these are highly recommended that you do get something like this.
We've also got the smaller round one as well. Yeah, we've got the small one as
well. So, you know, if you're cooking like with your kettle or something, you can put your kettle on there. Like I said, what we've done is we've took everything out of the camper van that we will be using when we're cooking and everything, because that's what we want to show you guys. What I will say is, if you do want anything like this, we do have an official Amazon store. Check out the first link in the description, and I'll also put the link in the pinned comment as well. Here's the next thing. So let's have a quick taste test. That's really good. So what we've done is we've showed you having that in a wrap, but you know, we have got the rest of it in a tub there, so you could just eat it as like a rice and chicken sort of like fajita meal, you know. So
you can also put it in a wrap where like you roll it like a normal fajita wrap.
Yeah, you can do that as well. Who doesn't normally like spicy food, but she's really enjoying that. So right, the next thing that we're going to make is we're going to make a pizza that you can easily make when you're out on your travels. Now, this pizza, you might have seen us doing this before, but it's just something that we tried and it really works. It's really nice. So we're going to make a pizza and we're going to use a Yorkshire pudding base. So, as I said before, we've got the Yorkshire pudding wraps. Now, this is something that we just tried it one day, and you know what, it works. So what I'm going to do, we're just going to put the
Tom is using smart puree there to coat the pizza.
Base? Pizza base. It's the pizza base.
The pizza base.
So what we're going to do now is, when we've cooked this before, we found the best way to do it is just cook it on low heat. Now we have had a pizza like this before and they're really nice. You can do them on these like mini pizza bases, you know, if you want some small ones, and you can fit like a few of these, you know, on the Ridgemonkey. Number 5, what we're going to make on the easy things to make while you're out on your travels is
cookies. So we did say we was only using things that we have in a camper van. Now we do have one of these in the camper van. It is smaller than this. So we've not actually made this before, but I've had a look and apparently all you need is water. So basically it says I only need 30 mils of water. It's a little bit sticky.
Let's try it though, let's try it. So what have you done there?
Put some baking paper in just so that it doesn't stick, because like I said, it's a little bit sticky. Literally sticky to me. That was definitely yours, Tom. So, seeing as I made them, these two good looking ones are mine and these two blobs are Tom's. I think I put them on a little bit too high at first because I got a little bit of burn marks, but they're not that bad for my first attempt. Well, I'm saying that before I eat it, but... Oh god.
Brooke's enjoying her cooking there, you really like them, don't you? So, do you know what? So there we have it, guys. That's 5 different meals that you can cook. It's easy to make, like really easy.
Yeah, they are.
But obviously you're not going to cook all 5 meals all in one go, or maybe you would. There's nothing wrong with that because you can store the food.
If you have any really good recipes that you cooked in your Ridgemonkey, just pop it in the comments below.
Guys, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, and until the next one, bye for now.